We have another box from Universal Yums. Let's see which part of the world we're tasting today. We're tasting the Netherlands. Hey, yo. First thing we're gonna try, I'm sorry for my pronunciation, Whiskey barbecue potato chip. It's not your typical barbecue flavor, just faint and mild flavor. 7 out of 10.
Doesn't have the artificial barbecue flavor. It's just smoky. 8 out of 10.
Roca original cheese biscuit. Very light flavor of cheese. Cheese cracker. 8 out of 10.
It's like you're eating fried pillow dough. Very similar to cheese it. 8 out of 10.
Next thing we're gonna taste, Twistarts. You can toast this one or eat it as is. Smells like fudgy. I like this. It's not too sweet. 9 out of 10 for me.
Very similar to Pop-Tarts. If you warm it a little bit, it's very gooey. 10 out of 10. Next thing we're going to taste is Speculoos Pop-Titties.
The way how you pronounce it, ma. Gingerbread man speculous cookies. It's like the cookie Biscoff. It's not too much ginger flavor, but it's 10 out of 10 for me.
Very crunchy. It reminds me of Christmas. 10 out of 10.
Chocolate peanut cookies. Chocolate peanut cookies. 9 out of 10.
So many nuts. You know, I love nuts. 10 out of 10.
It's actually our favorite snacks ever. Stroop waffles. Look at the caramel oozing out. And caramel and chocolate. Like a mini waffle. 100 out of 10.
It's like you're eating a waffle ice cream cone. 1000 out of 10.
This is the Yum Bag. Let's see what's inside. Toffee. Like also a coffee candy. Looks like Starburst. It doesn't taste like toffee. Very light flavor. 7 out of 10.
This is coffee. Color coffee. Hard candy. Tastes coffee. 10. Thank you, Netherlands, for letting us taste your country.